Albert Einstein didn't just change physics, he changed how humans understand reality itself. Yet, after his death in 1955, the greatest mystery surrounding him wasn't about relativity, black holes, or time. It was about a 3-pound organ removed from his skull without permission. Einstein's brain would become one of the most studied and most misunderstood brains in history. Einstein was deeply uncomfortable with fame. He rejected the idea of being treated as a symbol, a prophet, or a scientific idol. Before his death, he made his wishes clear. No shrine, no relics, no worship. He wanted his body cremated and his ashes scattered in secret. On April 18, 1955, Einstein died at Princeton Hospital. What happened next violated both his wishes and modern ethical standards. The autopsy was assigned to Dr. Thomas Stoltz Harvey, a pathologist. During the examination, Harvey removed Einstein's brain. There was no signed consent, no institutional approval, no ethical board. Harvey later claimed he had verbal permission, a claim that remains disputed to this day. He photographed the brain, weighed it, and dissected it into roughly 240 blocks, preserving them in jars of formalin. This single decision cost Harvey everything. He lost his position at Princeton Hospital. His medical career collapsed. He became a scientific outcast. Einstein's brain was now famous and effectively homeless. For nearly 40 years, Einstein's brain existed in limbo. It wasn't continuously studied. It wasn't stored in a lab. At times, it sat in cardboard boxes, jars, and basements, the trunk of Harvey's car. This wasn't a controlled scientific project. It was an obsession bordering on tragedy. Only decades later did Harvey begin distributing brain samples to neuroscientists around the world. And this is where myth began to overtake fact. First, let's kill the biggest lie. Einstein's brain was not bigger than average. It weighed about 30 grams, completely normal. There is no verified evidence that he had more neurons, no proof of faster synapses, no biological superbrain. That idea comes from pop science, not data. What was different was structure. In 1999, a key study revealed something unusual. Einstein's brain lacked a fold known as the parietal operculum. This allowed regions of the inferior parietal lobe to expand. This region is associated with mathematical reasoning, spatial visualization, manipulating abstract concepts. In the mind, the expansion was estimated at 15–20% larger than in control brains. This matters because Einstein did not think in equations first. He thought in images. Einstein himself explained his thinking process. Words and language do not play any role in my thought process. Instead, he relied on mental pictures, thought experiments, visual simulations. He imagined riding alongside a beam of light. He visualized warped space and bending time. His brain didn't give him answers. It gave him a workspace suited for abstraction. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many people want Einstein's genius to be explained by anatomy alone. Because if genius is biological, then effort doesn't matter. But Einstein's life contradicts that idea. He failed early exams. He was rejected by academic institutions. He spent years working as a patent clerk. His breakthroughs came not from talent alone, but from decades of sustained cognitive pressure. Neuroplasticity matters. Brains change based on youth. It's entirely possible that Einstein's brain structure was shaped by how he thought, not the other way around. So was Einstein a genius because of his brain? Partially. But anatomy did not write relativity. Obsession did. Curiosity did. Relentless thinking did. Einstein's brain doesn't prove that genius is inherited. It proves something far more uncomfortable. A brain becomes extraordinary when it is used extraordinarily.